Feel the waves cut through me, hypnotized by the sounds I'm breathing in. Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight. Dripping lights paint the skies, all because of you. Open eye, feel the waves cut through me, hypnotized by the sounds I'm breathing in. Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight. Dripping lights paint the skies, all because of you. Dripping lights paint the skies, only you can make me. So alive, make it last forever. Stop in time, yeah, I'm surrendering. Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight. Dripping lights paint the skies, all because of you. Dripping lights paint the skies, only you can make me move. You can make me move. Can make me move. Can make me move. You can make me move. Can make me.
Come for the trading, but stay for the fun. Happy trading, everyone. My name is Xauusd, and welcome to some live session here with me on Twitch. Let's see here. We gotta put the disclaimer. There we go. Not financial advice. All content is provided for opinion purpose only. Trading involves risk, only risk what you can afford to lose, okay? Twitch, YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, whatever it is. Not financial advice. There we go. Hello, Medine. Hello, M7. Hello, Edge. Hello. Nice to see you on live stream. Hope you're doing well. Hello, Huge. Yo. What is up, guys? What is up? Are you ready for some trading? Ready for some live trading here? It is New York session time. We have the stock market opening here in 19 minutes. So it's going to be very exciting to see what's going to happen. Yo, Mike, yay, Nuno, Edge. All right, let's have a look. So for our VIP live session today, we took a buy here at the 27 and took it up here to 33. And some people probably held it to 35, 40, 45. And now we are at the top here. As you can see here, we are rejecting very strongly from here. But I'm not going to get triggered by this. I need to see very strong confirmation for this to be a good top. What you see here now is a 5-minute candle. I wouldn't call it an engulfing candle because we didn't engulf the previous move. But if I see a big candle with a wick to the upside, grabbing liquidity, then I can take this. But for now, what we've seen is 2 wicks, and we see a non-top wick here. In the 1 minute, there's no top wick either, so I cannot take this for now. But yeah, 44 seemed like a good level. You can see here if we zoom out that this is the previous top. So what I would like to see the stock market do once it opens or in a few minutes is that we come up and retest that top, and that we either create a top wick here or we start to consolidate a little bit and then get a top wick. I'm personally not gonna sell this just from this long engulfing candle, which is not an engulfing candle but a bearish candle with no top wick, no bottom wick. Very strong rejection though, but for 100 pips here. I would like to see some wicks above. Hey Mendes, nice in live stream. Hope you're doing well. See in the daily. We did come up to where we were rejecting the other day. Let me just remove this for a second.
Get shit on, brother.
We came up to 46. We did come up to 46. The previous rejection was 50, and the previous before that was 53. So it does line up with, you know, what we're seeing. So let me just. Hey, thank you for the follow, Feeling, and Janan. Thank you for the follow. I just want to see here. We did not tap any of these highs, but we did create a similar high here, and now we are rejecting very strongly. 4 hour did get tapped here, also got wicked out. So if it closes below, of course you could see further downside, but I'm not fully convinced that this is the end. It's a very strong 5 minute though, but I will wait a little bit. 5 just closed bearish. Came down to 25. So from the top, about 200 pips, just right there. What I would like to see is another retest and then a top wick saying that, okay, New York high has now been swept and now we're going down. This was the Asia high, so this should be the New York high, and the London high was here. We kind of swept it. We did. I would like a double top or something. Something a little bit more. Nope, top wick there. I don't like it. Don't like it too much. 23. Very strong rejection. Did I even get to? I don't think I got to do my... Did I? Okay, I did. I did get in for that. So where did we come down to? We came down to 25, 15 minute, 30 minute. We in the 30 minute fair value gap here. The 1 hour fair value gap. This is the bottom wick right there. 1 minute looks like this. Hey. Guys. I think okay, there's a 15 minute fair value gap right there. 50-minute family gap right here, guys. Are you feeling better? Not really, my friend. Not really. Thank you for thinking about me. My throat is still very, very dry and, you know, suddenly full of liquid, and then I feel cold, then I feel hot. But mentally, I'm here. Mentally, I'm here. And always happy, of course. Always happy to come here and see you guys. By the way, somebody was asking me about my birthday, and I just said like I was sick on my birthday, but I didn't tell about what actually happened on my birthday. So I got sick on my birthday, yes, but it was at the end of my birthday. The day was actually amazing. Yeah, my wife surprised me with a lovely breakfast and some birthday cake. And what else? Then we were out in the city doing a little bit of Christmas shopping, and then we went on ice skating. And my wife, she can't ice skate for shit. Like, really, she's gonna be mad when I say this, but like, she's so bad. So I had to buy her, like, you know, one of these support animals where you put them on the ice, and then you can support yourself and practice yourself. It's mostly for kids, right? But you practice yourself doing like the ice skating by holding on, so you're just focusing on your legs instead of your arms as well. So she was holding on to that yellow animal support thing, and yeah, I was just driving her around on the ice, so she didn't ice skate herself. She was just like being lazy, and I just rode her all the way around on the ice. And then we went to a hotel afterwards, and we got some lovely steak. Steak is one of my favorite dishes, so yeah, we got really nice steak. Really good steak. I really like steak. So yeah, W wife. Yeah. Hello bits and chat. Are you feeling better? Oh, sweet dessert. I just replied you to your message actually. Yeah. I'm gonna do this, Fem. We talked about this, right? We talked about this. Check. Check. Are you mod now, Fem? Can you send a message? No. Let me see. Wait. Mod. Try again. How about now? Try again. Hello, Flash. Hello, Prabhat. I'm sure you would have answered it. For the 9th time, have I already said that? Yes, now I am. Okay, cool. And then I just have to go to Twitch real quick and just grant you access. Guys, I'm gonna take a buy here. I'm gonna take a buy here. At 27.4, 27.6. Stop loss below the fair value gap, and then take it up to the previous high. Okay. All right. Buy now. 27.6. Stop loss 17.6. TP1 37.6. TP2 45. And TP3 can be the 60 level, right? Let's take that one. See? What happens? Did we get faked out there? Nah, I think it's okay. We already tapped into the 15-minute fair value gap, so it's just... I think it's just gonna try to catch a little bit more bias here before moving. But yeah, the trade is here. There we go. I think it's okay. The stop loss is covering the whole 15-minute value gap, so it should be fine. I will just really quick go to creator here and then moderation.
Get shit on, brother.
Settings. Thank you for the follow. Nice to see you on live stream. Hope you're doing well. Let's see here. Settings, stream content, community.
Get
Roles
shit on,
manager.
brother.
There we go. All right. Let's take off the. There you go. Bingo, I granted you VIP instead. And I granted Tiger VIP instead. And then I granted moderator and editor for them. So that should be good. So editors, Siren and Fem. And Bingo, VIP and VIP, yes. Great. And guys, if you are a VIP member, from Discord or Telegram, then let me know and send me your Twitch name or your YouTube name so that I can make you VIP here on the stream. Vata, thank you so much for the follow. Luna, thank you for the follow. Feel, Hench, thank you for the follow. Nice to live stream. Excellent afternoon, Futurbits. Hope you're keeping well and trading profitably. Hey, Lurker, I'm doing well, man. I'm just simply waiting here to see if we can come up and retest the highs. For me, I don't really see that this was a... It's just a good sell. No worries about that. But it's just... There were no, there was no liquidity sweep here, right? There was really nothing. It just ended very... very rapidly, right? You had a 5-minute coming up with a top wick, then you had the next 5-minute with a top wick, and then you had another 5-minute candle with no top wick, no bottom wick, and then it just went straight down. Like, so fast that it's like either rejecting very, very, very strongly, or it's just simply a fake out and then taking everybody who already went in for buys, and then we are going up again. So for me, I took a buy here at 27.6. At the 50-minute value gap and previous break. This was where we, this is where we broke and came up with resistance. We have resistance here, and this way you had support and you had resistance. So I'm using the resistance acting as a support and then reacting from the 50-minute value gap. And then you can see here, now we're running in profit. So hopefully I made a good choice. Let's see. Guys, we're running here. Tell you on Telegram? Yeah, please tell me on Telegram so I can make you VIPs. Let's see here, guys, if we can come up. 5-minute also just closed bullish there, right? That's very nice there. So let's see. Let's put this here instead. Oops. So now we should be protected here. Let's go. Let's go.
Let's go.
Yeah. If this is the first time you're watching me, sorry, I'm a little bit sick today, but my name is Futurbits. I'm a professional trader and I am doing some live session here with you now today. We bought here at 27.6, targeting the highs of the previous move we just had here. This move that we had was very rapidly and it happened so fast. So I don't think that this is the move. I think this is a fake out and taking out the early buyers. So what we're doing now, instead of we are buying up to that previous top, and then from there we can look to see if we can get a sell. But I'm expecting this to come up to 47, 50 level and maybe retest that 53 level. It could also be today that we're gonna see some all-time highs, but let's see guys. We're running here 40 pips. My old account was suspended, boss. I am Hassansa 1018. Remember me? I remember Hassan. Yes, I do. Yeah, text me your Twitch name. Hey, bro, my Twitch name. Oh, that's you, bro. Really, Amendus, that's you. Johnny, bro. I didn't know, man. I didn't know that was you. Oh, are you VIP now, bro? Are you VIP now?
Get shit on, brother.
You are the best trader, boss. Thank you, bro. I don't think I'm the best, but I'll try my best. that I can tell you. I'm trying my best. I'm doing my best. Yo, my man. Gatos, what's up? Yono, thank you for the follow. Nice and live stream. Welcome to the stream. Let's see here, guys. How are we gonna react to this? Looking like we have a few retests. Yes, Mike, of course. I will add you as well. Go. Mike, you should also see yourself as a VIP now. Can you check? Look at your icon. Look at your symbol. The shiny diamond next to the name. Yo. Diamond hands. Yeah. Lurker, what are you looking at today? What are you looking at today? We have been very, very bullish on gold. Look at this engulfing candle. And then look at this retest here. I see this level here really, really nicely lining up. So maybe we could, you know, move up to some of these highs again. So guys, what we're gonna do is that once we check out this high, we're gonna take some partial. We're gonna trail our stop loss, right? But I want to see a follow through up to this high. I don't want to see like us stalling here. If we stall here, I'm just gonna trail my stop loss right away, and I'm expecting it to hit BE. But if we come through here with a good candle and we close above here, then I will trail my stop loss. But then I'm not expecting it to come back and tap. Now we are obits diamonds. How many pips for the week? For the week, Kov, we hit 360 pips yesterday. And before that, guys, what did we hit? What did we hit Monday? We hit 150 pips in VIP as well. That's 400. That's 500 pips. Monday we didn't do any trades, did we? Mike, did we do any trades on Twitch or via on VIP or anything Monday? No, right? I think it's just Tuesday, right? Not Monday. No, so it's on Tuesday and Wednesday. Yeah, so for the week, bro, we got 510 pips. Cough, 510 pips for the week. But I've only been trading Wednesday and Tuesday. I don't take a lot of trades. I don't take a lot of trades, guys. Let's see. Bob, are you expecting all-time highs today? Or what are you looking for, my friend? NQ double bottom held, still up for grabs though. Dow is to the moon. Nice. So you also hit some good pips today. This 3 minute looks promising. Guys, that's 50 pips for you. Take some partial here. Partial here. 50 plus pips. Right there. And trail your stop loss to just above entry for a risk-free trade. Boom. There you go. First trade. If you entered at 27.6, your new BE should be, your new stop loss, which is BE, should be at the 27.9. But if you entered later, then your BE should be 28, right? So I will put mine 27.9. But you do you, of course. Let's see if we can follow through here. We can come through this level here. We are risk-free with 50 pips. Actually 60 pips, but depending on where people entered, because, you know, I cannot guarantee that everybody entered 10, like 0.1 pip or 0.5 pips or 0.10 pips behind or in front of me. It all depends on how much delay there is on the stream, and if you are clicking right when I say it, or if you know, you wait a little bit or whatever it is. But I have made sure to move the stop loss above every single entry, guys. So you should be able to have a good trade here. Let's see if we can get another 100 pips. I'm at 27.7. Perfect. Then 27.9 is perfect. Right, M7? That's risk-free for you, man. No, sir, I only called them today, learning to become a streamer. Ooh, a lurker. I'll for sure come in and check you out, and yeah. Come with my support. What do you think about this trade, though? What do you think about this trade? I buy at 24.8. Nice. Guys, we are currently running 90 pips. 90 pips. There we go. 100 pips here, guys. Take some more partial here. 100 plus pips. There you go. And TP1. How about that? TP1 hit. Next TP is 45. XAU pumping, NQ dropping. Let's go. 100 pips, guys. I hope you did well and got some profit. I for sure will take some profit. Guys, if this is gonna be another stop on the way, then we can trail our stop loss after this bottom wick. But let's see. Let's see. We came down to 29.1. We're still in. We're still in. Still in, guys. B is here. Remember. Still in. Still in. Okay, once it comes up again, we can trail the stop loss to just below this wick here. Nah, Mike. This time you can't say it stopped you. This time you can't. I literally said to you guys, Stop loss at 27.9. Do not move it higher. Or you can put it at 28.0, right? But look at this. Even if you put 21.1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, it only came to 29. My entry was high. Really? I don't understand it, guys. Sometimes you do not enter with me. Sometimes you enter before me. Sometimes you enter... Yeah, I don't know. I don't know. I made it clear. I made it clear. Okay, guys. I'm still in. So please trail your stop loss to just below this bottom wick here. 28.9. 28.9. There we go. Still in. Still going strong. Nothing to worry about. We're good. Dude, what's happening? Liquidity, my friend. Liquidity. So, let's see if we can tap TP2. I am personally not a trader who likes to enter multiple times. If I can just let one trade run, it's I understand the scalping mindset, but for me it's just like this is one setup for me. It doesn't have to be, oh, we take one trade and then we take another trade and then we take another trade and then we take another. Like, I'm good. You can stay at BE and you don't hit it, you're good. Let's see. Took 3 positions, too small as partial or in profit the last. Let's go, Xauusd. Okay, guys. If we wanted to re-enter, where could we do that? We got a good bottom wick there. And this 1 minute here. We haven't closed in the 15. No, we haven't closed in the 15 yet. Once we get a closure on the 15 minute, if I wanted to get you in for a re-entry, we would like to see a 15-minute bullish fair value gap. And then we would like to see it hold that level. But I can't get you in if this level is not going to hold. But we seem to struggle a little bit right now. Stock market has opened 10 minutes ago. My question is, do we want to come up and sweep the high? Or do we react from this 15-minute fair value gap here now? Either this 15-minute fair value gap will become a support or a resistance. Seems like it's becoming a support. I would like to see a bullish closure here, and then what we can do, we can take a second entry. Or just run without us. It's fine. Okay, guys. I'm gonna trail the stop loss to just below this wick here now. Okay, so now your stop loss went from 27.6 to 30.4. Okay. So now you should have 50 pips in profit from your BE. Your BE is 50 pips in profit, okay? Almost 50 pips in profit. Okay? If you follow my instructions, you keep making profit. But if you don't follow my instructions, then you're not going to make profit. Or maybe you will. Who knows? So now you should have... Oh, sorry, not 50 pips. 30 pips. Not 50. 30 pips. From 27 to 30. So it's like 28 pips. Now let's see how it's reacting here. Seems a bit bearish actually right now. Seems like it's struggling a lot. Okay. Came down to 30.9 and I think we're gonna get out here. Yep. I'm out. BE.
Get shit on, brother.
Alright guys, that was the first trade. So you got 100 pips there. Trade 1, 100 pips. So, now let's see. Are we becoming bearish here? Because this 15 looks like currently it's respecting the bearish fair value gap. We have to wait for this 15 to close. Once it closes, if it closes below, then I'm expecting this to be bearish. But if it doesn't close below, if it closes above, then we're just gonna have continuation and it just came down to take us out. But very, very wiki though. Very wiki. Let's see. 2 minutes. I'm not gonna do anything right now, guys. Just simply waiting here. Wait for the 15 minutes to close. One more minute. What lot size are you using? I use everything between 0.1, 0.5 and 1 lot up to 3 lots. So my first trade will always be the lowest. So that's 0.1. If I want to layer, I do 0.5. Then I can layer 1 lot. And then if I'm really sure, then I can do 3 lots. But I don't do higher and I don't do lower. Okay, 15 minutes is about to close. In 1 minute here. Okay, there we go. We close bullish, guys. Close bullish. So now that 15-minute fair value gap right there now is overlapping and acting as your support. So if I can get a retest here around 32, 33, then I would like to get in for another buy. But for now, we can't do anything. For now, we can't do anything. Really nice bottom wick as well for the flip. DXY is coming down. Do we have... We don't have any fair value gaps or anything like that. We only have the 15-minute here. But look at the 4-hour, guys. We are so close to the top of the range. Also why I have to be cautious here. One hour is almost about to flip here. NQ tanked 250 pips out of my FIP retracement from this morning Asia lows. Nice. 250 plus pips. Hey, Flynn, what's up? I hope you're doing well, man. La, 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 la. You want it? You want it? Okay, here you go. Okay, let's see here. We can get any sort of retracement here, guys. But I would ideally prefer us to take out the high first, because then we know that we're bullish and this is just a retracement, right? Because if it rejects here, this could also be a double top, right? So New York session is fully in progress, and we already swept the high here, and now we're coming up again. So we could have a second sweep and maybe a double top and then a massive top wick for sells, or we could establish support here and then buy for all-time highs. Those are the options we have. Look at that, look at that, look at that. Looks like a really, really nice wedge. Okay, do we get that? All right. We might get it here, guys. We might get it here. When price comes down to the 50-minute family gap here, if I get a bullish order block, I would like to buy it up, okay? Stop loss below this wick here. So out of the 100 pips, we're only giving 50 pips back to the market if we lose, okay? But we need to see a bullish order block from the level here. I'm not just gonna buy it, okay? Need confirmation. That's creating another 50-minute family gap. Great. So you have a 50-minute family gap, mitigated, then you have another 50-minute family gap, and then like now you're creating a third 50-minute family gap. So they're all overlining. Interesting. Look at that hourly though. My goodness, what is that 1 hour candle? That is a massive bottom wick, bro. If price flips now, you have a bullish 1 hour candle that has been bearish for almost the entire session. And then in the last, well, how much is this? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. About 20 minutes. So 40 of the 20 minutes. Wow. 40 minutes of the 1 hour, you were actually bearish. But then in the last 20 minutes, you become bullish again. But we're not bullish yet. We haven't taken out the high. If you come up and flip on 42, then you flip the entire hourly candle from bearish to bullish. That's some nasty bullish stuff, you know? Oh. Waiting for this hourly closure, guys. If this closes bearish, then we might have to wait for the 15-minute family gap. If it closes bullish, then we simply just buy on the retracement. Good shit as well. Let me just get my EMA here. Ah. That 15-minute would be a lovely buy. Where's the stop loss? If the stop loss will be here 27 if we get this, but we didn't get it. Look at this. What? Look at this hourly, guys. It almost flipped. It almost flipped. 42 is a mega blogger. A cock blogger, yeah. We have no news today, guys, so nothing really gonna stop gold, to be honest. Okay. Okay. If Price wants to make a massive sweep, it should happen within the next 10 to 30 minutes. Okay, so these are the two scenarios, guys. If we come up here, let's say here, we create a massive top wick, let's say here, right? Or here. And then suddenly reverses down with a massive top wick. Then on the next 5 minutes, we can sell it down, right? That's for if we have a sweep on the New York. If we do not have any sweep, but it just keeps creating more and more structure, then that 15-minute looks very attractive for continuation buys. Okay? So that's what I'm looking for. But to buy it here now, if this candle closes bearish, even though it's a massive top wick, not a huge fan, to be honest. I would like this to close bullish, so we know, okay, we're bullish, and then see if the 15 minutes gonna respect with the top wick, or if we just come down to the 15-minute family gap. But we don't have a 15-minute family gap yet, guys. We haven't closed bullish here yet. So this is still to be made. We can still come down and fill this, and then there will be no family gap. But if this closes bullish, you have a 15-minute family gap. Yo, I'm sorry for yesterday. I didn't want you to think that I held you for a scammer. I didn't mean it that way. No, it's totally fine, bro. I know it. There's so many scammers online. So it's important. It's important to be aware. Important to be aware. Flynn, did you join the VIP? I forgot about it, because then I should give you VIP badge. Because I can't remember your name on Telegram. Let's hope we crack it up now, bud. Hopefully, let's see. Let's see. Four-hour looks very great, but it could be a huge 4-hour massive top wick here and then just flip down, right? You do have to keep in mind that ideally this would be the top of the wedge, and then you would come down here to 22, right? If this is to follow, if this is like to keep going. But yeah, Okay, then you shouldn't have the VIP badge yet. All good, all good. Did you catch the first 100 pips, my friend, earlier? Okay, the 15-minute will close in 2 minutes. That's also the hourly, guys. If the hourly closes like this, not completely bullish, then we have to be aware, okay? We do have a 15-minute fair gap here. I would like to see price come down, tap into this 15-minute fair gap, and then respect it and go up. Or buys. Then when it comes up here, whether it's going to create a sweep and we're going to take, you know, partial or close fully and trail stop loss, and then we take a sell, it doesn't really matter to me. I just need to make sure that the sweep doesn't happen before we enter the buy. Okay, because if we enter the buy and then it's a sweep, then you know we're gonna lose, right? So I would like to see that the sweep comes after we take the buy, if there is a sweep. If there's no sweep and it's just creating structure to come further up and it will break the wedge, well then who cares, right? But this hourly should close bullish. Otherwise, it's a little bit tricky. A little bit tricky because that looks extremely bullish because you're rejecting strongly with a very small doji candle. But to close bullish here with a small candle also looks a bit sketchy. So, nah, I didn't catch it sadly. I wasn't here yet. Okay. But yeah, guys, if you are new, then I also do copy trading. Copy trading doesn't mean you're copying my signals. It means that you're actually copying me directly. So if I take a trade on my account, it'll be 100% copied to your account. You don't have to do anything. You don't have to lift a finger. All you got to do is deposit whatever you want on your account. And then I will trade that amount on your account. And then once we make profit, we do profit split. So you don't have to give me any money. You don't have to pay me anything or do any bonus or whatever it is. Like, you just simply have to deposit whatever you want and I trade that amount, and then everything will be copied to your account. Whenever I take a trade, all trades will be copied to you with your account. Profit split is 39% is for me and then 60.5% for you. So that is how that works. Other than that, we have VIP with signals, both live and also just written in the Discord. And then we also have the Academy for 20+ educators if you are not satisfied and happy with just my signals alone. Some people, they want signals all the time, every single day, multiple at a day. Some people are just happy with 1 to 2 signals a day.
On, brother.
Let me know. Runex, thank you for the follow. So yeah, guys, if you're interested in that, please reach out to my team. You can check them out here. Sell zone? Oh, you mean up here? Sure. Always a sell zone. Like when you have a top wick, it's resistance, right? So you can sell from here if you are sure that it's gonna go down, but I don't know if I think this is gonna go down, but yeah. Let's see. If you want to sell here, Flash, you just go ahead. I think this looks too bullish for me to take a sell here. But yeah. Unless we get a sweep, as I talked to you about, like above New York high, then I don't want to sell here. In which session do the signals in VIP usually come? Via VIP session is gonna be New York session. I don't personally trade Asia or London. because Asia, I'm sleeping unless we're on all-time highs. So if you're all-time highs, I'm gonna be live every single Asia session because we can just buy gold and it goes up 400 pips, right? And London session is just consolidation or distribution. It's not really my thing. I'm not really interested. Don't want to be stuck in consolidation, and I also don't want to, you know, get into traps. So New York session is pretty simple because either you get a sweep above and then you go down, or you get a sweep below and then you go up. Like, so since we didn't come down and sweep this low, then I'm expecting us to come up and sweep this high if we wanted to go down, or we can just get out of this wedge and go to all-time highs. That's why I'm saying that I would be interested in buying from the 50-minute fair value gap, but I need to see first, are we going to sweep this high and then come down? But yeah, right now you're just consolidating here, guys. So you want to see if you can break above this. Okay, that's cool because I usually can't trade during London. Oh, nice. Okay. So, Flash, you're in a sell now or what? Good luck with that. Let's see if we can sweep the New York high, and let's see if we get a massive rejection. Then we can sell. Okay. Still haven't tapped into the 15-minute fabric gap. Our buy was so nice. Our buy was so nice, but we just got taken out by this bottom wick, sadly. Okay, 44, guys. Here we are, 44. So, we are closing above. Now the question is, are we gonna see this wedge play out again? Are we gonna see a sweep above and then a rejection? Or are we gonna break out? Because if you look at this, right? This is your resistance and your supply zone. But you already have a double top here, right? And now you're coming up for a triple top if you reject. But if you don't reject, it's just gonna go up. Either this will become a triple top or it will just smash through. And it'll probably not do it very quietly. Hello, sir. I buy GBP USD at 1.33. My TP is 134. UPUSD, wait. I gotta put an alert. Oh my god. I even set my alert. Alert there and alert here. Alright. Have a look. Well, if you bought at 33 and your TB was 34, but you're at 35 now, it's good, right? Yeah, it's pretty good. So what did you buy from? 33? You said 33.297. $97 is right here. So you bought from the previous port zone. Right there, previous demand. And then you probably waited for this hourly order block to reject and create a new support level. 30. Yeah, and you are consolidating but not creating lower lows. So that's pretty good. And then you could have put stop loss just below here, for example. Something like this, and target the highs. Right there, for example. Yep, looks pretty decent. Looks good. Okay, guys, so let's have a look. 50-minute came up. Tap the high here. 5-minute is reacting. If I see a bearish candle now, a bearish red candle, then what you can do is you can sell on the next 5-minute bearish candle. Calm your tits, guys. We went from 45 to 38. 70 pips. Okay. 5-minute did close bearish, but it's not closing like, you know, not really that strong. It looks like they're hunting stop losses back and right. I sell now XD. Really? What is your stop loss? $52 is your stop loss. Okay. I think we're targeting 53. I think it's hunting your stop loss, but let's see. Okay, 55. Don't just change because I'm changing, bro. You were right. I was wrong yesterday when you said like, oh, I will take profit here because I think it's going to go up again. Well, it went all the way back to 40. So you were right. Just because somebody says something, guys, doesn't mean you should just follow it and do it. Like, always have your own opinion, always have your own analysis with you when you follow something, somebody, someone.
Get shit on, brother.
You know, after all, guys, yes, I'm a trader on Twitch online, but at the end of the day,
I'm just a regular, everyday, normal motherfucker. I told you in the first song, I'll tell you in another. I'm just a regular, everyday, normal motherfucker. I don't have a girlfriend, my hand's my only love.
Hey, I do have a girlfriend though. I do have a girlfriend. I have a wife. No, wait, so I don't have a girlfriend. I have a wife. Yes. Good. Great. Good. All right, guys, let's see if we can get that sweep. Hey guys, do you remember? Do you recognize this sound? Oh, da 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 da. Da 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 da. I think I got screwed. Don't laugh at me because I suck or I will come and kill you. Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh my god, I just got hit by the US military. Oh my god! I don't know if you have seen Ahmed the terrorist. Have you seen that? Like, oh my god, that was special. But I don't think I can make a lot of jokes about it because I think I will be banned. So I'm not sure how it works, because you are saying the B word, but it's not, you know, there's no political, there's no intention, not anything like that. But it's just, I don't know what the terms of service are with that, so I don't want to sing that. So I said jingle bells instead of jingle bee. See where I sell? Yeah, you're selling at 44? Silence! I kill you! Yes. Silence! I kill you! Yes. 44.33 is your sell. 44.33, let's see. 33, I can really hit it, but 35 is here. Let's see. For me, this is, I mean, if you want to sell this, like, be my guest, but it's not really tradable. Unless you want to buy here, sell here, buy here, sell here, buy here, sell here, buy here, sell here, buy here, sell here. Price might get to the 50 level in the silver bullet hour. Well, what do you think I'm waiting for, Huge? I'm waiting for a big sweep. Either sweep and then sell, or continuation buys. But if we look at the overall structure, then what happened actually is that you came up, you failed to create a higher high, you came down, but you didn't create a lower low, right? You closed here, and now you're coming up to create a higher high again. So structure wise, yes, we did have a lower low here. We failed to create a higher high. We did not have a lower low here. We failed to create a higher high from this top, but we did create a higher high here. And now it looks like you're creating a higher high here because you didn't create a lower low here. So for me, structure wise, we're going up, but still I'm aware that this could be a triple top, and yeah. We've been sell if that's what's gonna happen. Yes. Let's see. High where? 4,378.50, I guess. Yup. And a brand new gray hair. And a brand new gray hair. Let's see. I'm not gonna, guys, I'm not gonna enter this. Unless I see a big bearish 5-minute red candle, then I'm not interested. But where do you expect that big sell-off you're talking about, Elliott wave thing? Here. 4,470. Something like this. Or something like this. Attention, 2 tops now. What do you mean with 2 tops? On the 15 or what? 15-minute close bullish above. The 1 minute. Yeah. I don't trade the 1 minute, man. I trade 3 minutes, 5 minutes, and up. See all? I see you got a 70 pips. Yes. If we close bearish here, then on the next 5-minute candle, I will sell, of course. Here we go. We're in the 15-minute fair value gap here, guys. Now, if price starts creating a bullish order block from here, I will take the buy. Okay. So did you close, Flash? Did you close your trade? You entered the 15-minute fair value gap here? Yeah, so this you're scalping, that's why. You are scalping. Okay, guys. If price comes up here and flips, I'm gonna take the buy. But if price does not come up and flip, if it comes down again, we're not gonna take the buy, of course. Let's see. Got a really nice bottom wick into the 15-minute fair value gap. So I need to see this flip. Yeah, but you're trading, Flash, you're trading the 1 minute. What I see on the 5 minute is noise. You see this? This is a wedge for me. This didn't even close below. This could still be respecting here with a sweep. See, you're coming up again. Do I want to risk myself taking this trade? Guys, I'm taking this trade now. I'm taking this buy here. Taking this buy. I hope you're in it already. Let's see. And now. $37. Stop loss is going to be below the wicks. 33. TV1 is going to be 41. TV2 is going to be 50. TV3 is going to be 70. You have to look at what you're trading, Flash. You are bullish and you want to take a small sell here for 100 pips and risk that you're just going to come up to the wedge again and then you're just going to break up and you're going to come up. I'd rather take a trade here with a buy following the trend than trying to risk a sell when I don't have a big sweep to the upside. Okay? So guys, are you in the trade? We are running here. 10 pips. In. Yes. Do you see why this makes sense? Flash, do you see why it makes sense? You're still bullish. You're still in the wedge. You didn't fill it. You just created a wick into my 15-minute family gap. Do you remember when I said to you I want to buy from the 15-minute family gap? For me, this is just a wick. There's no confirmation. Okay, guys, we're running 40 pips. Boom. TB1. TB1 hit. Right there. And please trail your stop loss to just above entry for a risk-free trade. Right there. And there you go. So you made 100 pips and you close your trade. Congratulations. Now we possibly make 300 pips. I'm not after you, bro, but you need to remember what is the trend and what is risky to take and what is not risky to take. I don't risk anything here. I risk 40 pips. I risk 40 pips. You, on the other hand, are risking 300, 400 pips. Like, unless you have a stop loss just above here, of course. Then your stop loss will stop you, right? But for me, it's too risky. I'm not gonna risk it. Stop loss at BE. But I love you, bro. Don't take it the wrong way. Don't take it the wrong way. So if you enter the 37, guys, your stop loss should be 37.5. We're running here. We're running here 70 plus pips, guys. Please take some partial here. Partial taken here. Okay, you got some good profit, guys. 70 plus pips. Yes. If you entered at 38, then your new B should be 38.2. Okay. I can put it here 38.8 for you guys, but my BE is 38.2. Okay. So if you come back down and we take out the wedge, it's a different story, right? So this is my BE here, 38.2. You got a 5-minute fabric gap right here. Boop. Let me know in the chat, guys. Where's your BE? We're in the 5-minute fabric gap now. Let's see. What's up? Hey, Bush. Hello, guys. How's the market doing today? We got a 170 plus pips so far. So pretty good. I'm still in here, guys. Let's see here. Yep, still in. Still in. Okay, I'm out. All right, so that was a 70 plus pips there. 70 plus pips from 37 to 44. Nice. So today, so far, plus 70 pips and plus 100 pips. Total of 170 pips. Now we wait. What we want to see now is for price to either break below here or break above here. Okay, price is plain. 15-minute family gap has been respected so far, but we need to see. Still respecting 15-minute family gap? Yep, it does. Sure does. We need to wait and see. We might be able to take a third trade. It would have been a good entry from the 15-minute family gap, but I didn't want to risk it. I didn't want just to get in if you get a massive bottom wick. Price is actually consolidating. Okay. We closed above again. 3-minute closed bearish. But 5-minute is still holding the structure. 50-minute is still being respected. Okay. This is 30. This is 40 pips. Okay. To hit
Get shit on, brother.
Okay, guys, I'm gonna enter here. if we take out this high right here, okay? If price comes, there we go. I'm in here. Let me know your entry. Yeah. $40. Stop loss is gonna be. U1 is gonna be 46. TB2 is gonna be 52. TB3 is gonna be 30. Okay. All right, we came up 20 pips. See if we can break the high now.
Get shit on, brother.
TB is 46. TB is 46, my friend. TB is 46 right there. Okay, guys, running 30 pips. Are you really taking the trade, sir? Yes, I am. You can see right here. Whoops. For copy trading. Oops. The previous trade we just took. $46 for copy trading. Do. Yes, let's do it.
Let's go.
If we check out this top weight, guys, I will take some partial and then we can trail our stop loss. You're a GoPro. You're welcome, man. All right, guys, please take some partial here. Take some partial here. Another 40 pips for you. And trail your stop loss to just above entry for a risk-free trade. So today we got 210 plus pips. So far. Plus 100 from the first trade. Plus 70 from the 7th trade. And plus 40 from the 3rd trade so far. But we're not done with the 3rd trade. And let's see if we can break the high. Here we go. Come on, can we hit TB1? How can I get into copy trading? Kimi, just reach out to my team right here. If you have any inquiries, guys, if you have any questions, you can just get in right here. Just text me on Telegram or text my team. I'm live right now, so text my team, please. There we go, guys. TB1. 60 plus pips for you. Risk free. Stop loss at BE. TB1 hit. So that is another 20 pips. So plus 60 pips. So guys, I gave you 230 plus pips today. I think we're just gonna let this run unless we get a huge sweep now on the 15-minute. That will be, you know, our liquidity sweep, right? Let's go. Let's go, guys. Beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. Are you happy with today so far? Yep, let's go. Let's see. The next psychology level here will be 50, right? But we are aware that 53 is gonna be where sweeps will happen. 53 to 55, maybe 57, right? So if price wants to flip and become bearish, this is the level. But I'm not selling unless I get a huge sweep, a 5-minute candle with a huge top wick. Then on the next 5-minute candle, we can sell. Okay? Don't let yourself fool. The next expected level will be the 4,378. Right there. Huge candle running. Let's go. TV2 hit for me. 50 pips, amazing. Let's go. Can we hit 52? Can we hit 52? 52 right here. What was that guy's name? Atlantis? Atlantis, if you're sitting and waiting for a change of character or a break of structure in an all-time high, like, good luck. I do have different strategies, bro. I also sometimes use a 3-minute engulfing candle and wait for a break of structure. I don't really call it break of structure, but like, yeah, wait for a market level to be broken, and then, you know, wait for a sweep, and then I take a trade in a family gap or a order block or something like that. I do those trades as well, but today you shouldn't do that. You should just buy. I never use 3-minute, all times 5-minute. Yeah, but I cannot wait for that when I'm only live on Twitch for 2 hours, bro. If I have to do 5-minute analysis for a 2-hour stream, then I might miss a lot of trades. You know what I mean? Yes, use one. No, I don't like the 1 minute, bro. Too much noise. Look at this. What the fuck is this, bro? What is this? I'm gonna buy. I'm gonna sell. I'm gonna buy. I'm gonna sell. Look at the 3-minute. Order block. Buy. Barcoding here. Closed above level. You can buy. 5-minute. Closed above the 5-minute. You can buy. Right? Let's see, guys. We did not tap 52, but we're still in the trade though. Oops. Let's see what happens. Remember, guys, your PE here is at 41. Let's see if we're still in the trade. Price come down to 42. All right, guys, we're out. There we go. Now we can see here. That looks more like a sweep for me. Okay, so 5-minute is finally showing something. Great. If this candle closes bearish, guys, then we can sell on the next candle with stop loss above here. And that's your New York session for today. Okay? But only if the 5-minute closes like this. All right? This looks much, much prettier for me. Much, much prettier. So let's see. We're not gonna enter yet, guys. Only if the 5-minute closes bearish. Stop loss above. Okay. What the fuck? No sense. What do you mean no sense, Flash? Now it looks bearish. This looks bearish. This doesn't look bearish to me. This is just consolidation. This looks bearish to me. The flip. I reacted to psychology level at 50, right? Here. Up 49.1. Didn't want to give you the satisfaction of your sell limit at 50. Okay, so we need to see price close below here on the 5. If it doesn't close below here, we cannot sell. Okay. Okay. Wait for it. Very bearish there. We need to wait for... Okay, okay, okay. Yes, that was a sweep. That was a sweep. Definitely a sweep. Gotta wait to retest the 5-minute Fabry gap. This closes bearish below here. That's bearish. That's definitely bearish. That is definitely bearish. Ugh. Five-minute close there. Okay, let's get a top wake here, guys. Let's get a top wake here. All right. I'm gonna sell with stop loss above the highs from this block right there. Okay? Okay? So, let me know your entry. $1,037. Stop loss is going to be above. It's going to be 120 pips then. Yeah. TB1 is going to be 120 pips as well. So that's going to be 25. TB2 is going to be 4,300. TB3 is going to be 4,250. Okay. Okay, guys, we are running 40 pips. Once you take out this low, then we can trail our stop loss. Who's in the cell with me? Okay, 37.35. We need a retest at shoulder. Why would we need a retest, bro? Look at the 5. You already got the top wick in the family gap. What shoulder are you talking about? This one? No, you already... This is your sweep? This is your newer sweep? What do you mean? Okay, guys. We are running 50 pips. There's no need for retest, man. This can just go down to 4,300 now. You already took people by surprise with this. You're just gonna run so you don't get an entry. I think it's just gonna run down and then you won't get an entry. Your camera? Yeah, I cannot really do anything with the camera right now, guys. Sorry. We have to take out this low first. Okay, guys. Running 70 plus pips. And there you go. Almost 80 pips. There we go. 80 plus pips, guys. Please trail your stop loss to just below entry for risk-free trade. Boom. That's a total of 300 plus pips today, guys. 600 pips in 2 days. I hope you are satisfied. Wait for TB1. Fix the camera. Sada, I don't have Twitter. I'm sorry. You can reach out to my team for inquiries, and if you want to join the Telegram, right here. If you want to join the Discord, right here. Guys, please join the Discord. Please join the Telegram.
Get shit on, brother.
Let's see. Now you got a 5-minute family gap right here. I don't expect it to come up and retest it, but if it does, then it's still following the book. But I think I'm good. I think I'm good. If it comes down and just runs over here, great. If it comes up to test the 5-minute family gap, I'm not going to take it with you guys. We got plenty of trades today. We first took a trade 1, 100 plus pips. Then on trade 2, we got 70 plus pips. On trade 3, we got 60 plus pips. And on trade 4 here, we so far got 80 plus pips. But let's see. Guys, please, if you are new to this stream or if you haven't joined yet, check out Discord, check out Telegram. Telegram and Discord's completely free. Copy trading is also completely free. I will trade for you on behalf of your account with your capital. It's your money. You can withdraw whenever you want. We just do profit splitting, so you know, don't need to do any bonus. You don't need to, you know, do any kind of, you know, pay me money or anything like that for copy trading. I simply just trade your account, and then the profit that I'm making, we're gonna split that. So I get 39.5%, you get 60.5%. If I don't make money, I don't get any profit. So we win and lose at the same time. And if you're interested in VIP or the Academy, right now we have a Christmas sale, $299 for 1 year VIP with me. You can just reach out to my team if you want more information. I hope you enjoyed this stream today. I'm gonna stay a little bit longer because it's only 4:48, but I want to see how this plays out. I want to see how this plays out. Let's see how the owl is looking. The 4 hour started becoming a little bit bearish. The 1 hour looks like it's creating a bottom wick here. Might not be done with this range for now. So the book would just be like to sell this 5-minute fabric gap, but I think too many people are expecting that to work. I think if it comes up again, probably will come all the way up here again. Yeah, coming up here again, guys. Yes, there we go. All right, let's see it play out, guys. Let's see it play out. See it play out. So everybody's good today? Everybody got a total of 300 plus pips? 70, 20, 30. Yeah, 310 plus pips. Yesterday we got 360. I'm still in. Nice, Martin. Super. Hey, bro, I'm late. Mad Max, what's up, man? Good day. Yep. Now we just want to see here if this is gonna react. 5-minute fabric gap. You kind of didn't create a lower low, if you see here. Yes, you closed below this structure here, but you didn't close below this structure here. So we're not out of the all-time high yet here. But if you start breaking down, then this will be the third time you're trying to come up and retest here. You see, first you rejected here, then you sort of rejected here, and then you're rejecting here again, right? So then you would be done with this, I guess. So let's see what happens. You changed your stop loss too early. Flash, you were the one talking about 44. I mean, I don't think you should talk. You said to me that it needs to come up and retest 44. And now you're saying I'm changing my stop loss too early. Come on, bro. I'm done, my friend. I'm done. I have a runner from here. But for trades on the stream, I think I'm done. We can talk a little bit about where we can expect price to go next. So as I said to you, either we're going to come up and fill this 5-minute fabric gap and you're going to continue being bullish and just building up towards the 4,370 level, or you are going to just continue flipping over and you're going to come down. And then what I'm looking at here would be on the 15-minute, you have this low right here where you previously rejected at 08, at 07. And then the next level is going to be down here at 273, where we rejected again. And then actually you're going to the 1 hour then, and then your next level will be here at 205. This is what would be interesting. If we can start rejecting these levels and come down here, that's when it's going to be interesting. Let's see. You're still in the trade? I still have one trade, yes, but I closed most of the trades. So the last trade is for myself, man. It's not for Twitch or for copy trading or anything like that. Just in case we're running. So anybody who are new today, who are joining the Discord, new people here, newborn, right there. Oh, wow, look at that. 24, 25, nice. Nice. Okay. Have a look. The 15 minute created a good top wick there. Very nice. And then it faked out here for a 5 minute and then continued down. Look at that, 26, 27 running. If you stayed in the trade, anybody stayed in the trade? I'm new verified on Discord now. Let's go. And Kimi, if you want copy trading as well, then reach out to my team. Reach out to my team here, okay? It looks like this, guys. Future Orbits Elite. That's my team, okay? We have the tag join Future Orbits. Will do. You're welcome. You're welcome. What is the TP? My first TP would be 6, I think. So a little bit before that, so you don't miss your profit. 8. I think if you entered around this area, 33, 35, 34, 37, like us, then, you know, this would be pretty good. This would be pretty good. I think so. Definitely. That's 300 pips. And then your next target would be here, 273. So yeah, guys, I think we are so close to Christmas now, so I'm not expecting all-time highs. If this comes down. If this comes down and breaks 308 and we just come down here, then I think we're just gonna consolidate until Christmas, and then January will be either all-time highs or liquidity first, as I said with the Elliott wave, and then from there all-time highs, right? Because we're just kind of just consolidating. I think it would be too difficult for price once we lose the liquidity here in a few days to go anywhere. You know what I mean? Because the institutions, the banks, the big market makers, they're getting out. They are going on holiday. So either you will see a big drop to the downside because people are taking profit, or you will just see price consolidating until January. I was expecting it to happen after the Fed rate cuts, but nothing really happened. We went from 4,200 to 4,300, and now we're consolidating 4,300. So January, either you're breaking 4,400, going up to 4,500, possibly 4,400, 470. But I think you need liquidity to continue up from there if you want to hit 5,000 or 6,000 or 10,000. Silver looking great, coming up towards that 100 level. Still waiting for my retest here at 54. If we come down to 54, which is where you broke out, you see here, this was your previous. Oh, this is where you hit the all-time high, and this is where you broke the all-time high. So if we come back to 54, then I would be interested to buy in 54, 56 level. But yeah, for me this is too high, and for me this is too high. So still selling, still interested in sells. Yeah, that's it. That's it. Have you seen Bitcoin too? Yeah, 87. Just M pattern or W pattern, or breaking the lows, continue dumping, and then you are probably coming down to, no, the daily haven't flipped yet. It's just it barely haven't come out of this order block here. You can see here it's still just creating either support or resistance, right? You break this low, you're gonna come up, retest, create resistance to come down to these lows. If you use this as support, you come up again. You see you broke my wedge here, and then you came down, but you still haven't left these highs. So I will be buying here at 64, 65, 66. Weekly fair value gap right here at 64. And this is where you had your all-time high at 73, and where you broke the all-time high. So I'm expecting price to come down into this weekly fair value gap or somewhere around this level, and then I would start buying Bitcoin. But I'm not buying anything before below 70k. Like, I'm not interested. I already bought at 15k, took some profit at 50k, and took some profit at 65k, and took some profit at 100k. I'm not interested in buying Bitcoin. Thanks, bro. You're welcome, man. And yeah, guys, as I said to you, we have right now very, very special offer for the Christmas. So if you wanna check it out, please do so. It's right here. Right here. For you. Here. Here you go. 1 year VIP access. $299 for 1 year. VIP includes access to exclusive signals, join live stream, binary and forex, also crypto if I do that. 30 minutes one-on-one session, which means you get 30 minutes with me alone. Unlock VIP for 12 months, one-time payment, price returns in 2026, right? So if you want VIP and you don't want to pay per month, this is your chance. But only until Christmas. Alright guys, that's it. I'll see you. Take care. Have a good one. Enjoy your day. Enjoy your Christmas. If I don't see... No, you have one day tomorrow, right? Thursday tomorrow? Yeah. Thursday tomorrow. Okay. See you guys. Bye-bye.
I'm just a regular, everyday, normal motherfucker. I told you in the